Many grammar guidelines deal with the three basic building blocks of sentences: subjects, verbs, and complements. So let's review basic sentence structure. The subject of a sentence is the actor. The verb is the action. For our purposes, the complement is the rest or the completion of the sentence. When you understand these basic building blocks, you can learn how to arrange them to make your sentences stronger. Verbs are easier to find than subjects, so let's start there. Look at a sentence and ask yourself, what is happening? John broke the printer last week. Someone broke something. Now let's look at subjects. Subjects perform the action of the verb you just found. Who broke something? John. It's helpful to underline subjects once and verbs twice. Now, the most essential part of this sentence is simply John broke. The rest of the sentence can be referred to as the complement. The words the printer and last week add more information. They complete the meaning of this sentence. Here's another sentence, this time with two subjects. Clarissa and Brad planned the office party. Here's one with two verbs. Casey snoozed and ruined the conference call. Sometimes the verb isn't an action, but a state of being. For instance, Leslie is cheerful. Leslie isn't doing anything, she simply is cheerful. That's called a state of being verb. Now you try one. Read this sentence, then pause the video while you find the main verb or verbs and subject or subjects. Remember the first question, bare bones, what's happening? John and James, who are partners, plotted and planned the takeover for years, although their investors were unaware of the threat. What's happening? Two people are plotting and planning, and another group is unaware. Double underline the verbs you found. Now ask, who is doing or being that? Put a single line under the subjects. The partners plotted and planned, and the investors were unaware. The first part is a main idea, and the second is an idea that's dependent on the first idea. We'll learn more about independent and dependent clauses later. Here's a tip. Practice quickly finding subjects and verbs as you read for other classes. Underlining the subjects once and the verbs twice can be really helpful. Here's one last sentence to analyze. Our resilient employees answer customer questions and test our more dangerous products. When you can reliably find the basic structure of a sentence, you're equipped to strengthen and clarify your writing. Trust us on this. In business, strong writing earns you credibility and influence.